afternoon.
This voice.
Good afternoon. Hi Aradhya. Hi Sumuk. Anshu. Hi. Hi Riyansh.
Ma'am.
Hi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kriti. Good morning, Avyam. Good morning, Radhira. Good morning, Mukta. Good morning, Shivai. But it is afternoon. I think it's only 12 o'clock. It's good afternoon now.
How are you?
I am very good. How are you? I'm awesome. I'm amazing. How are you?
Afternoon, ma'am. I
Good
am
afternoon,
fine.
Vanika. Good morning, Divya. Good afternoon, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Yashovardhan. Good morning, Advay. Good morning, Arna. Good morning, Zara. Good morning, Kavya.
आप कैसे हो?
बहुत अच्छी हूँ.
How are you?
Very good.
Can you, ma'am?
Good morning. Good afternoon, Swara. Wow.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good morning.
baby. Hi, Sambhav. Oh my God, Sambhav. You got a very nice background. Very good. Okay.
Hello.
Hello, 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 hello. Riyansh, what is this, Sumuk? Your car? Okay. Now let's start with our session. Who all can tell me that who all have done brush by themselves? All by themselves. Who have not taken any help from mama. Oh my God, so many kids. They have done brush all by themselves. Oh my goodness, that's so nice. Wow, but let me confirm.
Ma'am, I also do it on my little brush.
Good job, amazing. But did you clean it properly, like front teeth, back teeth, up teeth, down teeth?
Yes.
Properly, you have cleaned all your teeth properly. And how many times a day you do brush? How many times a day you do brush? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Oh my goodness. Good. But at least
I do 2 times.
early in the morning and before sleep. Okay. Do you know why should we do brush 2 times a day? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Okay, I will tell. We should do at least 2 times a brush so that there should not be any germs in our teeth. Do you know when we eat chocolates and toffees or something sweet, the germs get into our mouth and they say, ha ha ha! Oh, the kid has eaten chocolate. Now it's my time to have a party. They go inside our mouth and they start eating. They start eating our teeth. They make cavity in the teeth. So, for us to keep our teeth, clean and safe, we should do brush at least 2 times a day. When we do brush, the germs will go away. You know, that's why we should keep our teeth clean. And we should do brush at least 2 times a day. Well done. And wow, Sumuk, beautiful spider. I can see your spider. Good job. Okay. Now who will tell me who all have loved their mama in the morning and said, Mama, I love you so much. Who all have done? Wow. Can you start now? Who all have not done till yet? They can run and go to their mama and hug her and say, Mama, I love you so much. Go, 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 quickly, run, run, run. Yes, Sambhav. Good. Good, good, good. Avyam, go, go, go. Yukta, go, go, go. Love mama. Go, go, go. Good. Riyan, you do it.
Ma'am,
Well done. Well done. See, you kids are so good. Do you know
Ma'am.
why should... Yes? Okay.
that's anything. See, look, all are.
Okay. So, do you know why do we do that? Because our mama loves us so much. She does so many things for us, right? So that's why we should every day in the morning, first thing we should go and love our mama. I love you, mama. You are so good. Very nice, Aradhya. I can see you. You're so cute. Well done. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do you know that I did my haircut?
Oh, you got a haircut. You look so cute, Kavya. Lovely. It suits you a lot. Okay. Now, the third important thing. Who will tell me who all have drinking water? How much water have you all drinking? 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glass Varnika. Well,
I drink water, ma'am.
how much? 2 glasses, Yashovardhan. Okay. Chat, how many glasses you have drinking? Okay. And what about Mishika? How many glasses? Yakshika, how many glasses? Tell me, come on. How many glasses have you all drinking? 1 glass, only 2 glass? Oh, Shiva, you have 5 glass. Oh,
Yes.
you are very nice,
I
Mishika.
have a great water.
Yes, Yukta, brilliant. We should drink at least 4 glass of water a day. At least 4 glasses. For kids, 4 glasses at least we should drink. Okay? Show me, raise your hand who all will drink 4 glass of water today. Well done. Oh, Advik also has come. Hi, Advik. Good afternoon. How are you? Hi. Okay. All right. So now 3 things important. First thing when you wake up, just love your mama. Second thing, brush yourself and brush properly. And third, most important thing, drink a lot of water because water is very important for our body. Okay? Now, let's just do something interesting. Do you know, shall we do one gratitude exercise? Do you know what is gratitude exercise? Can someone tell me? Alright, I will. Gratitude means saying thank you or feeling thankful. Do you know, can someone tell me how many senses do we have? How many body senses do we have in our body? 5. Can someone tell me what are the senses? What are the senses are? First one, eyes. Second, nose. Ears, third ear. Eyes already done. Eyes already done. Nose already done. Ears already done.
Eyes, lip,
This
tongue.
tasting, yeah. And fifth one is touching, feeling. Yeah, when we touch something, we can see from our eyes. We see beautiful things. We see our beautiful mama. We see our handsome papa. We hear our beautiful mama's voice, our handsome papa's voice. We see beautiful things. We see the beautiful things. Yes, we hear bells. We smell the tasty food which our mama cooks. Yeah, and we feel our mama. Our mama is so soft and nice, right? So these are the 5 senses which are very important for us. Okay. Now, who is ringing bell? Please don't ring. Please. Thank you. Okay. Now, Do you know? We should be thankful for this because who is ringing bell? Please don't ring. It's making noise. Please. Thank you. Don't ring. Okay. Now thank you. Okay. So the thing is that we should be thankful. Why should we be thankful? Because without your eyes, can you see beautiful things? No, we can't see. Without your ears, can you hear nice things? Oh, without your nose, can you smell nice things? Can't. Without your tongue, can you taste the tasty food your mama is making you eat? Shiva, can you taste? Shiva, can you taste the healthy, tasty food which your mama is making you eat? No, we can't. And without your touch senses, can you touch and feel the nice? No, we can't. So that's why we should feel thank you that God has given us such nice things. We should say thank you. That is why the gratitude exercise is that every day we should say thank you. And one more thing that we should be thankful for. Can someone tell me what we should be thankful for? Our mama. Do you know our mama helps us a lot? She helps you in your homework. She helps you eat your food. She helps you in even playing also. In everything your mama helps you. Should we say thank you to our mama? Yes. Who all will say thank you to their mama today? Say thank you, mama. Thank you, mama. Yes. Because our mama does something for us. You know, she loves us a lot. She does so many things for us. And we should do this gratitude exercise. We should say thank you, mama. And you know what? Our papa also does so many things. Our papa also does so many things to us. He brings so many nice toys, so many nice things. He even plays with us so nicely. So we should say thank you to our papa also. Our mama papa does so many things for us. Show me your hands who all will say thank you to their mama papa every day. Yes, and the most important thing, when you wake up, just quickly go and always say love your mama and love your papa. Show me thumbs up who all will do it. Good job. Well done everyone. You are so intelligent. Okay. Now this is a very interesting activity that we should understand. Now who all are excited to hear the story today? Show me thumbs up. Yes, I also want to hear the story. Okay. Now let me share my screen. Okay. Fine. Can you all see my screen? Show me your thumbs up. Yes. Okay. So weekly story. Today we are going to revise the story which we have heard last week. Okay, last time. First of all, let me tell you my name. Most of you know my name, but still I want to tell you. My name is Sakshi and I am a personality development trainer. And my favorite thing is to play with kids all the time. I can play whole day long. I can play so many games. I love it. Okay? So let us hear today's story. So the story is Dave learns honesty. Dave has learned to become honest. So let's see how does he become honest. Let's see. Honest means to always tell the truth. We should always tell the truth to our mama papa also, right? So Dave also learned. Let us see how has he learned. One day he was just going in a park. He was playing. So he came. Wow, what a beautiful sunny day. Wow, I'm so enjoying. It's so nice. The park has a beautiful fountain also. And suddenly he saw something there. Something peeking out. He got scared a bit. Oh no, what is this? He jumped backwards. Oh my god, what is that? I'm really scared. He thought, is it a big dinosaur who's gonna bite me? Or is he a toy dinosaur? Who is that? I'm really scared. But then he calmed himself down. He said, my mama told me that I should be brave. I should not be scared for such small things, right? So let me calm myself down. Let me be brave. Then he went ahead. And when he went ahead and looked closely, he found out, oh, it is a toy dinosaur. It is not a big dinosaur. It was just a toy dinosaur. Oh no, I was just being scared for no reason. He became really happy to see that dinosaur, and he thought, what a lovely fluffy toy dinosaur. Let me take it to my home. I will play with it at my home. You know what? We should never take things which we get from the park just like that. We should always ask our mama papa before we take anything. But you know what? Instead, he didn't take permission from his mama papa, and he took that toy dinosaur which he got from the park. He took it with himself. He brought it back to his house. Oh no, he shouldn't have done it. But then, next day, when he was playing in his house, his friend Kavi came. She said, wow, Dev, you got a beautiful toy dinosaur. It's so pretty, it's so fluffy. I like it. Wow. Isn't it cute? You know what, Dev? I also had a same kind of toy dinosaur with me. But you know what? I lost it yesterday in the park. I was playing in the park yesterday and I just lost it. I could not find it. And it is just same as yours. I wish I could also have it. So Dev got a bit confused. Dev said, oh, I think it is Kavi's. I think it is Kavi's toy dinosaur. He got really, sad and scared a bit. Because Kavi said, your toy dinosaur looked exactly like mine, which I lost yesterday. So then Dev was like, oh no, I think this is Kavi's. And he got really scared. He could not say anything. Then Kavi said, oh Dev, can you please help me? Let us go to the park again and let us go and find our find my toy dinosaur. It is in the park. Will you please come with me and help me to find it? But Kavi went to find her toy dinosaur. But here Dev was really scared. He said, oh no, I couldn't say anything. I should have told her the truth. I should have told the truth to my friend. But instead I couldn't tell. And it is Kavi's toy dinosaur. It is so bad. He was really scared and sad. But then, when he was thinking that I should have told Kavi the truth, his friend, colorful unicorn Unididi came. Unididi said, hi Dev, how are you? You look a bit sad. What happened? Dev said, I'm really sad, Unididi, because I found a toy dinosaur in the park today and I didn't take permission from my mama papa. I took it and I brought it home. It is not mine, but I still brought it home. And I found out that it is Kavi's. It is not mine. And I didn't tell her the truth. That is why I am feeling sad. Oh, now Unity said, no worries, Dev. It's okay. We all do mistakes. But we can fix our mistakes. That's the main thing. We all do mistakes, but you should take responsibility for your mistake. Now, will you tell her the truth, Dev? Yes, Unity, I will tell her the truth. Will you always tell the truth and you will not take things which are not ours? Yes, Unity. And the most important thing, will you not do the bad thing again? Yes, Unity. Good job, Dev. See, you found out the problem. that you should tell the truth. Because you didn't tell the truth, that is why you are feeling sad. And now when you got the problem, when we have a problem, we should always look for, say loudly, we should always look for solution. Absolutely right. We should always look for solution, because whenever there is a problem, there is a solution, right? So Unity said, it's okay. You made a mistake, you didn't tell her the truth, but now you can fix your mistake. How can you fix? You should get rainbow magic. You should find a solution. And what would be the solution, Dev? Now Dev thought, yes, if I tell the truth to Kavi, I will also get the solution. And Kavi will get her toy dinosaur. So they finally got the solution to tell the truth, to be honest. Now they've also got the magic of solution. Yay! Now Dev and Unity said, let us go to Kavi and let us tell her the truth. They both went to the park, but there was Kavi. She was feeling a bit sad because she couldn't find her toy dinosaur. She was looking everywhere, here and there, but she couldn't find her toy dinosaur. But then there came Unity and Dev. They said, hi Kavi, how are you? Why are you sad, Kavi? Kavi said, Unity, yesterday I lost my toy dinosaur in the park and now I'm trying to find it. I'm not able to find it. That is why I'm feeling a bit sad. Okay, Kavi. Now you also have a problem. You can discuss it with your friend. Now Dev said, I'm sorry, Kavi. I didn't tell you the truth in the first place. This toy dinosaur is not mine. It is yours. I found it yesterday in the park. And I didn't tell you the truth. I did a bad thing. And for that, I'm really sorry. I will tell you the truth all the time because we are friends. And we friends should be honest to each other. We should tell truth to each other. So I'm sorry, Kavi. Please take your toy dinosaur. Now Kavi also got her toy dinosaur and she also got the solution of happiness and to tell the truth. Now Dev, Kavi and Unity, all of them became happy. The end. Right? Who all like the story? Show me thumbs up who all like the story. Yay! Now let me see if you all have understood the story. Okay? Suppose if you also have if you find a toy or a toffee or anything in the park or in the school, will you take it to your house without permission or will you take permission from Mama Papa? Show me left hand if you will not tell your Mama Papa, and show me your right hand if you tell your Mama Papa and then take it. Well done, well done. And will you start playing with that toy, or will you tell to your friend that, oh, I'm sorry, it is not mine, it is yours? Will you return to your friend? What will you do? Show me right hand if you return to your friend. Good job. See, you all are so intelligent, so smart. Well done. We will return to our friend and we should always tell the truth. Good job. Brilliant. Okay. Now tell me, who all are interested to listen a second story? Show me thumbs up if you want to listen a second story. Yes. Okay. So today another story is The Crow and the Cunning Fox. Cunning means a person who is very sharp and shrewd. He plays tricks and who makes fool of another person. That is cunning. So let's find out what is the story. One day, there was a very beautiful fox who was going in the forest. La 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 la. Oh, I'm so hungry. I want to eat some food. I just can't find any food. Where is some fruit? Where should I go and eat something? Then after going a while, she found out that there is a huge tree. A big, huge tree. She thought, oh yeah, it's a beautiful tree. The tree must have some yummy, delicious fruits. I should eat the fruits. By that time, the fox was thinking about this. There came a crow. A black crow came. It has got a big loaf of bread, a big bun of bread. The fox said, wow! The fox quickly thought, wow, what a beautiful bun! Yummy, delicious bread. I wanna eat that bread. But how should I eat it? Now fox thought of a clever idea, cunning idea. How should I take the loaf of bread from the crow? Then the fox said, hi crow, you look so pretty. Your wings are very pretty. You look so pretty. Can you please share your bread with me? You know, we can be friends. We should share our bread. But then the crow showed a very good thing. Crow said, oh no. I'm not going to talk to any stranger. Stranger means I don't know you, you know. I don't know you. I can't talk to you. You are a stranger to me. I will not share anything with you and I will not talk to you. Please don't talk. You are a stranger. The fox said, eh? The crow is very intelligent. The crow knows that we should not talk to strangers. No matter what happens, we should never talk to strangers. Oh my God, the crow is very smart. Now the fox thought of another clever idea. What should I do? Let me think of another clever idea. Now this time the fox said, oh yes, crow, you are very intelligent. You should not talk to strangers. Good. But you know what? Let me just do one thing, you know. I am going to sing a song for you. You can listen to my song. I am going to sing a song. The fox started to sing. Ah. She really sang badly. She sang ah. She sang it so badly, and the fox said, you know what, crow? My voice is really not nice. I don't sing very nice. Can you please sing a song, because I think you are a very beautiful crow. Your voice also must be very nice. Can you please sing one song for me? It would be really nice. This time, crow became fool. This time the fox's cunning idea worked and the crow became fool. The crow said, oh yes, I will sing a song for you. And then the crow started to sing a song. Ah, and the moment crow opened his mouth to sing a song, the loaf of bread fell down. Drum. Oh no! The crow became fool. No matter what, we should never talk to strangers. But see, crow forgot about this, and crow has started singing. And see what happened. His bread fell down. Now see what happened. The fox quickly pounced over the bread. She quickly grabbed it and she grabbed it in her mouth and she went away. I got the bread. I got the bread. Oh no! The crow started crying. Oh, my bread gone. Oh, fox has taken my bread away. Now what will I eat? I'm also hungry. Oh no! Then finally crow realized. Crow understood. No matter what, I should never ever talk to strangers. No matter what. So, you guys understand that no matter what, we should never talk to strangers, or we should never talk to people whom we don't know. Show me thumbs up. Well done. Well done. Let me see if you all have understood it. Okay. The story ended. Now let me ask you. There is one uncle who is very handsome, who is very good, and he says, see, I got so many chocolates. Come with me. I'll give you toys also. And come with me. I will take you to your mama papa. Come with me. Come with me. What will you do? Will you say yes? And will you go with that uncle? Or will you say, No, I will never talk to strangers. I will only take toffee, chocolates, and toys from my mama papa. I don't take it from any stranger. Show me your left hand if you will say and you will go with the stranger. And show me your right hand if you say no, I will never talk to strangers. No matter what. Only when my mama papa says, say hello to auntie, hello to uncle, only then I will talk. Well done. Well done, all of you. We will never ever talk to any stranger. Even if they say that we look very pretty, you are so cute, come, I'll give you chocolates, I'll give you toys, I'll take you to your mama papa. No. I will only take chocolates and toffees and toys from my mama and my papa. And I will only talk to strangers when my mama papa says you can talk to this uncle, you can talk to this auntie. Yes? Show me thumbs up, you understood it? Good job. Did you like the story? Okay. Did you like the story? Show me thumbs up. Good job. All right. Okay. So do you know you all have sent some beautiful artwork and I would like to show you. Who all wants to see? Show me thumbs up. Who all wants to see? Okay. I also want to see. Sorry. Let me also show you your activities. Just a minute. One minute. Wow, Varnika, I can see you have made such beautiful things. Varnika has made a salad in Nutrition Week. Amazing, Varnika. That is so nice of you. We should always eat healthy and salads are really healthy. We should all eat salads. Ask Mama, Mama, please give me some cucumbers, tomatoes and different vegetables to eat. It is very healthy to eat, right? Varnika has made Madhubani art and made a poster on World Gratitude Day. Varnika, well done. Clap for Varnika. Clap, clap, clap. Good job, Varnika. Well done. After Varnika, we have got beautiful Arna. Arna has made beautiful artwork. She has done the bubble blow activity experiment. She has made face painting and also she has learned Sikkimese dance. Wow, Arna, well done. Well done, Arna. Good job. Love you, Arna. Well done. After Arna, we have got Kunal. Kunal has actually made a Teacher's Day card. It's so beautiful. Can you see how beautiful card Kunal has made? You're so talented, Kunal. Well done. Well done, Kunal. After Kunal, we've got Inchara. Can you all see she has made a solar system and performed water walking experiment. Wow, Inchara, you're so talented, so smart. Brilliant, Inchara. Clap for Inchara. Well done, Inchara. Good job, baby. After Inchara, we have got Freya. Oh my God, Freya. You have actually made such a pretty, beautiful card on Teacher's Day. You're so talented. It is so neat and so beautiful. Well done, Freya. Please clap for Freya. Well done. Good job, Freya. Oh, okay. We have got Sai. We don't have Sai's pictures today, but he has actually made a Teacher's Day drawing. Sai, that is so nice of you. Beautiful drawing. Very neat and very beautiful. Well done, Sai. Good job. Well done, Sai. Now we have got cute Avyam. My God, Avyam, I can see your beautiful rainbow and headgear with paper, and you have made a clay art, and you have made rainbow with oil pastels. So clean, so neat, and so beautiful, Avyam. Loved it. Brilliant. Clap for Avyam. Good job, Avyam. Good job. Brilliant. After Avyam, we have got Vinisha. Vinisha has made such a beautiful drawing of boat floating in the river. It is so pretty, just like you, Vinisha. Well done, well done. Good job. Well done, Vinisha. After Vinisha, we have got Ayush. Ayush also has made such a beautiful drawing and a beautiful card. It is so pretty. Well done, Ayush. Well done. Please clap for Ayush. Well done. Well done. After Ayush, we have got Chandni. Wow, Chandni, you made such a beautiful rainbow with cotton and paper. It's such a beautiful artwork. Amazing, Chandni. It's beautiful. Just like you. Good job, Chandni. Good job. Well done. Keep it up. Good job. Very nice. After Chandni, we have got Ayantika. Ayantika has made a comet model. Can you see? It is so intelligent and so smart, Ayantika. Well done. Clap for Ayantika. Well done. Well done, baby. Well done. Okay. Now, we have done with the appreciation activity. Now, can you tell me who all wants to play a game? Show me thumbs up. Who all wants to play a game? Can you tell me who is this? Yes, this is Kavi, and this is Unididi, and this is Dev. You all can now unmute. You all can unmute yourself. Yes. Now let's play a game. When Dev says run or jump, you have to run and jump. And when Kavi says stop, you got to stop. Okay? Ready?
Okay.
Now, Dev says run on your place. Run. Run. All of you run fast. Run.
Other please stay.
Stop.
Why you have to run there only?
Stop.
Oh, you are still running. I can see. Yes. All right. Now once again. Twist. Come on, twist. Come on, twist. Stop. Okay. Now Dev says, slowly move your head. Slowly move your head. Then fast move your up down. Stop. Okay. Now jump higher. Jump. Stop. Okay. Now Unididi